Welcome to the in front of me Realme GT Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and after that click here on the search bar and enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that just click here to open. Click yes, I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now here, as can you see, we got the information with our device temperature, but battery temperature in my case that's 28 and 2 degrees. And also you got here another information like the battery level, health capacity, model, and more other information like the Android version, the model of our device, and more info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.